Hello, my name is Patrick, and this is a demo video for my 2017 Capstone project for the Android Developer Program at Udacity. My application is called the KenTech Delivery Service. This application has three flavors: an admin application, a driver application, and a user application. All three applications interact in real time using Firebase as the backend. I am using two live devices, my tablet and cell phone, and one emulator. The driver application will run on the emulator so I can simulate location changes as if the driver was moving. Okay, let's start with the admin application. I've already loaded it on my tablet and registered a new admin user. Once the application loads up, we will have access to all its functionality. As you can see, we have no data yet. Let's add a new customer. Select add. We'll enter a local company, Harvey's. Contact will be John Snow. Phone number doesn't matter. Skip the email. And we need to select a billing address. This will be for their main office. So we'll select Harvey's Berry Bayfield Restaurant and add user. Confirm the information, and there we have a new user. Now that we have a user, we can place an order. This would be a phone-in order. So we'll select our customer we just added. We'll select our date. We'll select the pickup location, which will be the main office. And we'll select our delivery location. We'll have to add a new location. And we'll say Harvey's Midland. Okay. And now we'll select that location. Once we've entered all the information required, we'll book a new order, confirm the order. Now if we manage orders, we'll see there's our order. Okay, now that we've added a customer and an order, let's turn our attention to the driver. I've already installed the driver application on my emulator, and when I load it up for the first time, the admin will be notified that a new driver has signed up. We take a look up in the box, and here's an alert for a new driver has signed up. So if we go to manage drivers, there's our new driver, and we can now make that driver verify that they are a real driver. The driver's been verified. And if we come back to our user, we can see that there's a notification from him. Reload the driver application. Confirm that we want the driver's location. And we can now see the driver's location on our map. If we go back to our main screen of our admin, as well as the location of the pickup and delivery spot for today's orders that are selected here, we can also see the driver. So if our driver, first we need to assign the order to the driver. Select the driver from the list, confirm. The order will now appear on the driver's list. The driver can select his order, and we'll just send him on his way. And you can now see the driver is moving at 5 times the speed. Okay, the last application to talk about is our user application. So let's start up the user application for the first time. we'll have to register. So we'll say new user 1 at user.com. Next. We'll enter our first and last name. This will be user 1. Password will be welcome. Customer information, ABC Electronics. Let's say this is Pizza. They want to use the app. Phone number is boom. Done. Select the location. Pizza in we'll say Wasaga Beach. And register. Now we have registered our new user. Okay, now that we have a new user, let's create an order. We select create order, select our delivery date, which will be today, a pickup location, say Pizza Hut, Wasaga Beach, and a delivery location, we'll say in Barrie. Once we have the distance, we can go to the payment screen. From the payment screen, you'll be able to notice that it's calculated the distance, 37 kilometers, between the two places that we selected. I just put in a random price. Now to enter your credit card numbers, anything will work since we're on testing. We enter our credit card numbers, place our order. Once we confirm the amount, $78.81, you should see a new order appear on our admin screen. Blues are the new one. So we just had 2 new pickup and drop off locations added. If we go to the user's order screen, you can see the new order we just placed. We can view the details. And there's no driver assigned right now. We'll fix that. We come over to the admin screen. Manage orders. We select the new order. Pizza, select the driver, assign a new driver, and it should appear now on the driver screen. And boom, the driver now has 4. Return to the home screens. So if we look at the driver screen, we also have the option here to filter. We can filter by pickup locations or delivery locations. So if you just want to see where your pickup spots are, or you just want to see where your delivery spots are, and of course, it'll shrink the screen down for that. I'll put those on so we can see. Okay, so now the driver would normally take off on his route. We'll start him. And you'll be able to see on both the admin screen and the screen that he is. Once he gets to his spot, he can select the order. Pickup is complete. He's got the parcel now. And that's about all the options. Thank you. And the last thing I wanted to show you was the home screen widget I created for the driver application. So if we go into widgets on our emulator and select the driver widget and add it to our home screen, we'll be able to see for the selected driver who's logged in what their orders are for the day. So if we add a new order with the admin screen, select McDonald's this time. Today, a location, select another location. We'll select one down in the city. Spadina Avenue. Create a buck order. And select sign our new driver. And immediately their home screen is updated with their new driver, with the new order they're going to assign to. And that's it. If anybody has any questions, you can leave them in the comments section. Thank you for watching.